We love to call it the most fun half marathon in the world. We coined this race as a combination of yoga, running, and partying.
10,000 plus of Lululemon's biggest fans. It is the biggest event of our year.
Just running and feeling the energy and living off of it for the whole run. I can't wait.
I think SeaWheeze is this really cool opportunity to showcase the beauty of Vancouver. The course of SeaWheeze is unbelievable. It starts downtown and then it threads through Falls Creek, over the Burrard Street Bridge and back again, which is a stunning view, and then you go all the way around Stanley Park. So you can't get a much better and more scenic route than that. And then just the vibe that hits the city during SeaWheeze weekend is incredible. There's so much energy. There's tons of people coming in from out of town. They just get to experience what Vancouver is all about.
It's so neat to be a part of a community that is wanting to live their best life. We have many challenges. Everybody does. We are change agents. We do not want to be limited by our disabilities, and we want to live a life that inspires possibilities.
The next day after the race, we have what's called the Sunset Festival. So we kick off our Sunset Festival with a massive yoga class and awesome bands that play at Stanley Park. For the first timers that take part in SeaWheeze, what they can expect is the unexpected. We aim to wow our guests at every point in time during the whole SeaWheeze experience. And then out there on the course, it's honestly just so much fun. It's just like this incredible vibe out there, and people just have a smile on their face even though they're running a half marathon. Truly, it is yoga, run, party.